Palm oil, it's everywhere. But how is it actually produced? Unlock the secrets. This is your step-by-step guide to palm oil production inside a compact, efficient small palm oil mill plant. Through our 3D animation, we'll show you every critical step: sterilizing, threshing, digesting, pressing, clarifying, and dehydration. See the journey begin. First, it's sterilizing. The palm fruit bunches are loaded in the sterilizers for 60–90 minutes with high-temperature steam, which can make them to thresh more easily. Then, it comes to threshing. The sterilized palm fruit bunches fall into the drum-type thresher, and the rotating rod will knock the fruit off. The fruit will be taken to the next step, and the empty bunches will be collected for burning in boiler. Next, the palm fruits will enter the vertical digester. In the digester, palm fruits will be mashed by several mixing knives. At the same time, some part of oil will flow firstly and be collected in a trough below. After that, mashed palm fruits will enter the double screw palm oil presser. The red palm oil will be pressed out by intermeshing screws, while fibers and nuts exit the tail end. Now, it's time for palm oil clarification. Red crude palm oil is pumped into the rotary vibrating screen. Then the big sand, stone and fiber will be filtered out, and oil enters oil clarification tank to remove heavy impurities through settlement. The clear oil was finally filtered by the plate filter to remove fine impurities. But now, the filtered palm oil must be dehydrated for drying, otherwise it will influence the storage time of crude palm oil. At last, the crude palm oil will be pumped into oil tanks for storage. When you want to sell it, pump it into the oil tank truck. If you want to further process crude palm oil, subscribe to our channel. The palm oil refining process explanation with 3D animation to you will be in the next issue.